So here's what we accomplished last night. We got 2 panels put together. Here's the single H, or the double H rather, and another double H. And I got the holes drilled in it. We got, notice that we have a little gap here for water to run off. Same thing over here. We got the holes drilled here because this will be on the end, going up the gable, going up the slope, and then across the top. You see, got the holes drilled every 16 inches, and this will screw down to the ridge, and then there'll be another one come here to meet it. And I may make a little cap out of redwood or something to fit in there. But I probably won't do this way again, because it's simply just going to be too difficult carrying this size of a panel down there. You can see the condensation inside there. So that's why I say you have to have that vent tape to allow that condensation to be able to weep out. So anyway, that's where we're at, and I'm waiting on my help to arrive. And actually, I think I hear him pulling in now. So we'll get on with this here shortly. Okay, so our help showed up. Say hi to Brandon.
Hello.
So even with good help, it wasn't feasible to carry that out here the way I had it put together, so I had to take it apart and do it individually, which I kind of suspected that when I tried to pick one end up myself. So anyway, that's where we're at, and when I get this panel screwed down, I'll take you up on the roof and show you what it looks like. Alright, so here we are up on the roof, putting the panels on, and here you can see my walkboard in use. You can see me standing on it, and it works fantastically. Gives me something to stand on, plus it has really good traction on this polycarbonate. And so the screws I'm using are these that I had left over from several galvalume projects roofing, and I backed the little washer off, and I have these big wide neoprene inch wide washers that I put on and screw those down into the polycarbonate. So they look like this, and I pre-drill the hole in the polycarbonate. And you want to tighten it only enough to compress the little neoprene washer. But it's very simple, although this stuff's very bulky and difficult to handle, but it's lightweight. And so then I'll screw down the double H track right there. We'll be ready for the next panel after breakfast. So by the end of the day, with my son-in-law's help, was able to get one side of the roof panels on, and was kind of disappointed in this material. Well, not the material, but the condition of the material. I'm going to zoom in. I don't know if you can see that or not. There's some serious scuffs and ridges. In this material, or in shipping to the retailer, found quite a bit of damage in this that was not visible when I purchased it, because it had a protective film on each side. So anyway, if it doesn't leak, it'll work. So I guess there is that. So we'll continue on with this project and work on either the other side of the roof or maybe the walls next until I have some more help. So we'll see how things go. Thanks for watching.